Alright, good morning guys. We're doing our morning bike ride. I think we're only going to do 5 miles. So I'll be watching the chat and such, but it should be pretty nice. I'll try to watch chat because I'm going to have you guys watch where I'm going. Alright. Back on it. So don't be afraid to comment. Try to keep my eyes on there. A little chilly this morning. Hey, keep falling down. Won't be as bad once you get on the trail here. Alright, this is the bridge. This is crossing the river right here. Dude, this is nice. I don't have you guys on a charger, so we'll see how, what is it? Oh, see how long we can stream for. There's no water in the river. Great. Yeah. A little water. Alright, here's the trail. This should be a little smoother now. We're gonna do a short one today, boys. Morning. Water there. A bit of a hill. Not too bad. So I know on my Twitch it just says headed to the baseball game, which I am not doing. I just been too lazy to change the heading, so that's just the way it is. But this is the Bosque Trail. It's quite nice. In the fall, all these trees are orange. Yellow. That's pretty cool, huh? It gets busy though, so you gotta get here early. No, YouTube doesn't like it. I play music, but I'm just kind of doing this to get monetized or anything. Maybe one day, I don't know. But this time, I'm just a small fry. I like being a small fry for now. Although, do you subscribe? Yeah. Whatever. It's a beautiful morning. I'm only doing 5 miles a day. Kind of small. I should do about 20 or so. And that's because this bike path is that nice. You could do about 20 miles. It's just cruising. It's real nice. What's been on my mind? Well, I don't know, not much. I wanted to few things. We wanted to get on the bike, that's for sure. I'm happy I'm doing that. Sometimes by myself for a long time, my thoughts can become louder than my words. So try to do and not think, really. Do the right thing, of course. Morning. Check this guy out. Is that a porcupine? It's a porcupine. Check him out. It's a porcupine. Hey, bud. It's crazy to think, because I'm gonna leave him alone. He might shoot a stinger or whatever. Never ridden the trail here, so we get porcupines. Onward. Oh, I see him on the way back. There's the mountain. There's a good positive quote I read this morning. It was just much needed, really. It mentioned strengthen your body so your mind has a nice place to live in. Anyways, that was appropriate. So, in other words, get off the couch and get doing your things. I was gonna ride my bud this morning, but he had a flat tire. Which happens. I've had a flat tire a couple times, which is no fun, because what is it? Especially when you're on the trail, you gotta walk back. Morning. that sun comes up, there'll be a lot of people. Where we're going is where they all start. So, that's why we're going this way first. Call them monkeys. They get monkeys on the trail. I don't know why, but you know, when you're riding bikes, stuff just kind of comes out of you. So, yep, mind is good. Body I could do a little better. It's balance, you know? Balance. Mind and body. Beautiful morning now. So we're kind of going uphill. Definitely doesn't look like it, but really, I wouldn't even call it uphill. Just a slight incline. But we're cruising about 8, maybe 9. I don't know. Kind of feel it. Done this trail a lot, so I know when we turn around and go down the other way, it's easier. Plus, there's no wind, which is awesome. When you get wind, oh. You're like pedaling for 2 people at that point. You know, it's crazy. I've been out here, I think, mentioned in my truck talks, but what is it? Doing this trail in the middle of January, like 6 and 7 o'clock at night. Which was very difficult. But I needed to get my workout in. So I just brought my bike to work. And I'll ride my bike after work. Sure enough, it got cold quick. Middle of January, I should have thought of it. But my arms are frozen. Like right now, I move my arms back in January. Like body was warm. My arms were so stiff. I don't know. Body was in shock, I think. How cold it was, so it was just shunting blood to my chest. Even though I was warm and whatnot. Anyways. Body was in shock. How cold it was. It's crazy. Alright, we got a tunnel coming up. This is the famous Paseo, which is pretty much AKA NASCAR. People flipping cigarettes, flipping you off, everything. So this time we're going under Paseo, not over. Oh, there's a coyote right there. You get those. So this one, kind of short. Paseo de Alameda, I'd say it's short. I don't remember. Maybe it's the same distance. But from, what is it? I feel like Antonio Paseo is further than Paseo de Alameda. Oh yeah, it is. My bad. So this is a little bit shorter. And there's the sun. Bob, they call him. Big orange ball. I just call him the sun. Now that the sun's out, you get the peeps on the trail out. Brings them out, you know. Some diehards too on this bike trail. With them like $15,000 bikes flying. Some of those guys impress me because some of them like holding the dirt. They're flying. They're cooking. Anyway, sometimes learn a lot. Older cats. Alright, we're pretty much here, yep. Alameda. I'm not crossing the bridge. Because that bridge is, at least not for me, popping my tires. Because it's wooden bridge. We ain't doing that. I'm surprised though. There's still a lot of peeps on the trail already. Anyways, take a moment here. That's the sunrise, boys. We will turn around. Round two. Morning. So it is Sunday. I've got a Bible verse for you, but what is it? Oh, excuse me. One of my favorite Bible verses, which is always one that talks to me, because it's always one I gotta practice. It's a good one too, because it talks about endurance. That's exactly what we're doing bike riding. It's all about endurance. Anyways, some of you, most of you maybe heard of the Bible verse. It's called James 1:2. Here it is. It says, whenever trouble comes your way, let it be an opportunity for joy. For when your faith is tested, your endurance has a chance to grow. So let it grow. Yeah. James 1:2. So, one of my favorites. One is talking about faith. Talking about endurance. It's not talking about happiness. It's talking about joy. Which is different. Which couldn't give you those exact definitions, but I would say joy is one that dwells or abides in you, like the Big Lebowski, the dude abides. And happiness is just one single circumstance. Dude abides. So, remember, this is the downhill. what is it? Just noticed I've listened to a lot of reggae. There's that song called, I don't know what it's called. It's Bob Marley though. He talks about having a small axe and a big tree. I don't know if I'm interpreting his lyrics right, but I mentioned this in one of my short videos. The big tree won't cut you down. It's your small axe over time that will cut down the big tree. Spiritually, think about that. You're saying it's like the David and Goliath. Faith. And once you have that, I think the clarity comes to you. Where it's not about being happy anymore. It's about being joyful. Wild way. So yeah, the Jude abides. The guy we saw earlier. So today, 11 o'clock, we got a tea time. So we should be able to make it unless I'm be tired, which I usually am. Remember asking or whatever, one of the guys at my work said we're all of like someone missed work or something. He's like, he missed work because he was sick and couldn't make it or whatever. And some other coworkers like, we're all sick and tired. We still make it to work. Now you get those times where you're just done. I've had those days where you're like, your body's dead. You don't move for 3 days. Had that. It's wild. But anyway, tea time at 11. So, if I'm tired, I know I should just do it. Because I know I go to sleep, I won't be bummed. I do gotta wrap up that table, shrink wrap it. Put it on the pallet. Monday we can deliver it. Table came out pretty nice, man. It was harder last one, because the last one was taller. Because it was taller, that stool I use, I'm able to just kind of sit and do it that way. Crazy thing is, this table I made now is 2 inches shorter in height. Because of that, I can't use the chair anymore. I gotta bend over and get in there. It's crazy what 2 inches will do. I'm not gonna go any further than that. But it's a nice table. Quite beautiful. I don't know why I'm donating it. I just do care about the guys at work. It's really one of those things where I don't think I'd be at the job for as long as I have been. If it wasn't for the peeps I worked with, you know. Good buddy asked me one time, what did he say? Saying something about where do you see yourself in 5 years? And really what he was really saying, what do you like to do? And I like woodworking, I like golfing, I like bike riding with my buddies. You know? He's a good guy. Anyways, I told him, here's, you know, my work. That was the wrong answer. So I think I asked him the same question. And he was like, nah, not here. Anyways, gotta have goals. Good morning. You can't reach those goals unless you look at it, you know? Like, someone asked me, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Say, I see myself drinking mimosas on the beach. Where I see myself. But you do not say that in an interview, let me tell you that. You say in an interview, I see myself here. One of these days, when I retire, that goal will be accomplished. Or even sooner. God willing. I don't drink, so drinking orange juice on the beach. Girlfriend. That was the Lord and everything else. But we're working on them. As with everybody else. Everyone's got goals. We're all just trying to make life happen. But, you know, you gotta believe in something, man. If you don't, I don't know how colorful life is for you, but you gotta believe in something. For me, I believe Jesus died for my sins. Morning. That know that we are what is it? There's a saying it's coming in my head. It is you're humans or we're what is it? Anyways, moral of the story. We're spiritual beings. We're not humans having a human experience. Humans having a spiritual experience. Good morning. Anyway, if you don't believe in anything, I don't know what your spirit. Morning. As runners, I feel far. I run 50 yards and I'm dying. Anyway, yeah, I don't know what it's like for those people that don't believe. I know spiritually something's calling. Jesus was the man. There's a lot of cool people who will like that in history. All the prophecies and all that becoming true. I do believe he died for our sins. I for sure know there is a Jesus. Sure know that it's Jesus that hung on a cross. Much love to y'all. I don't want it's just stuff that comes in my mind as the body works. Finds its place to live in. Alright, we're back to the bridge first started. Ooh, there's a river, it's loud. See, that's a diversion. That's not the actual Rio Grande. See, now I think people are using the water way too much, man. They're using way too much water. Because of that, we don't have a river. I mean, not everyone can share that stuff, you know? Not everyone can be a farmer. Use that water. That's a tough one. So this is Montagna, which is not as bad as Paseo, but it is one way to cross the river. So there's only a couple places where you can cross. So it gets crazy. Look at this. Water. Stop here. I don't know if you can see it, but there's no water there. There's supposed to be water right there. Onward. Oh. So that's the Rio Grande, dude. That's supposed to be the Grand River right there, and there's no water. But you look at there's those diversions. These things are running hot. Using too much water. That's what it comes down to. All these rich people think they could just buy things. So I don't have a problem with having a lot of money. They could do a lot of good for the community. These days, I feel like people are just less about community, more isolated. Kind of sad, really. People need Jesus, you know? That's my way of figuring it all out. But whatever. Traveled the world a lot. That's been my experience. At least with America. Kind of lost who we've become. Sometimes it doesn't even feel like politics anymore. It just feels like two sides fighting. That's all it is. Alright, boys. Been a fantastic ride. I was talking to myself the whole time. But I will upload this. God bless. Have a good day. We're ending it. Let's do it.